What's up guys, Major here. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to show or hide your subscriber count on YouTube. So what you have to do first, you have to go to youtube.com. So when you open youtube.com, it's going to take some time to load. Then you click on your channel link here, click here, then go to, it's going to take some time to load. Then go to Creator Studio, and when you go to Creator Studio, so when you go to Creator Studio, then you have to go to channel, then you have to click on this, they show the channel. So when you click on that, then you go to advanced. So when you go to advanced, you have to scroll down, okay, and then then you have to come here, and then if you want to show it, like you can see my own is already showing. Okay, you can see here mine is already showing. I'll quickly and go to my channel. My own is already showing 150 subscribers. So if I don't want it to show, I'll just click here. Then I'll just hit enter. Okay, I'll just hit enter. Then I'll come here and then I'll refresh it. So you see that once it's done, once you see that it's gonna like disappear, you cannot see it again. Okay, for you guys, maybe I can still see it, but I can still see it because I'm logged in. But if I search it, okay, let's check if I can just search it. Let's check if I can still see okay, so you can see where am I? Okay, I can still see it because I'm logged in. But when I log out, I can no longer see it. So, but if you want to show it, just click here, click on display, and then you just hit enter, and then you're done. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this video helped you, give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I love you guys. Share this video to your friends. And by the way, this video was okay. One guy asked me on Facebook how to show his subscriber count. So it's Loricara7 or so. The link to his channel is going to be down in the description box. So that's the guy I'm doing this video for. And thank you guys for other guys that don't know how to do this. And thank you guys for watching this video. And Major out.